from Lagos to East. I want to be flying. I've never entered plane before. Most of you entered plane when you were 6 years, 2 years, 3 years. Me, I entered at 40 something. But at least I did. So that my children also will start entering plane. Every of my flight ticket, I put it at my altar. I write the name of my children there. I took time. If you see a lot of my videos, I took time to arrange the fruit, garnish it, make it so lovely, make it so clean. Because I'm not only a man and ordinary. I'm not only Dibia, I'm only mini. I had a lot of stories happening in the East that sometimes some parts of the East villages, when you go there to go and do sacrifice, if the villagers catch you, go chop all those things. If somebody catch me, anyway, I'm going to do sacrifice. Muribe, in fact, they will join me. They will join me. I don't live here in IK is Akwa Ibom. But the way this land has favored me, I said, Mother, if you can give me land house here, if you can put somebody to dash me a house, because that is my dream. More people are going to be giving me houses. When I say people are going to be giving me cars, you people think I'm joking. And it's happening. And when I say tap into it, if it's recharge card, send me money so that you'll be tapping into it. You people don't hear. And people who are tapping into it are enjoying it. Mane Ezioku. You got la? Now, when you garnish it, don't say it's not my land. Don't say it's not my father's land. Don't say it's not my money. Garnish it. Garnish it. All the clean. I've not added other things, so I'm just checking time, because very soon I'm going to go there, to go outside there. One of these, next year, I'm going to be doing a lot of teachings about why I do this thing in any land I go to. Whatever you are giving, let it be clean. You are not feeding dogs. You are not feeding your house help. You are not feeding old and wretched and old people in the village. You are feeding your God. The universe that gave you life. Sometimes I pity people who make mockery of what we do, who make mockery of Ndezewani, who make mockery of our teaching. They don't understand. Mana fire water. Fire water. Everything you see here is made with what? Mineral resources that came from the ground. All these beads, they didn't come from heaven. They came from the ground. They came from the ground. If Annie can give us orange, a mighty tree of orange that will keep bearing fruit over and over again, it wouldn't take us anything to slice it, remove the skin, and give back to one and say, it's a sign of appreciation. They are not hungry. They are not hungry. If Annie can take one seed of pawpaw to give you a tall pawpaw that will be giving you fruit, take time to sit down and slice one or two and put it on the ground. It is sacrifice. You drink wine, you are happy, you make merriment with wine. Why don't you give them? Iburonye dibia, ima ifendi dibia na enye Annie, ima ifendi dibia na enye Chiha, ima ifendi dibia na enye. If you want nefa na bia, wakota ya like that, wa. Wakanati ya like that, iburuku imegin ijenye ndi otugi. Iburonye oko. Wakanata ifeni na ngungu ni na anwa isunyi aja. Oya ka ndị Bible ndị Israel sị na aja nsuru ọkụ. Onwere ife dịka aja nsuru ọkụ. Aja nsuru ọkụ wa aja na-enye ndị si n'ọkụ na-enye chifa. And unconsciously we do that. We don't know we do that. Before we kill goat, we burn it. When we kill a goat, we burn it. We want to eat any animal, is it grass cutter, whatever, we burn it. If it's chicken, you kill it, you pour it hot water. It goes through the fire. Whether you like it or not, you are worshiping God of fire. You got that all. But it's not that. That is not even the thing I'm talking about. What I'm talking about here is that take our time to worship that God of fire, goddess of fire, if you are from the fire. Makana it is bad. No mini pota oni eje na be dibia. Ihotaro. Eze nwanye kariri dibia. Makana only mmiri ki ife ni na see. Everything you see on earth, everything that is, that was, that will be, is from the water. So onye ze nwanyi obuna na na be dibia amara onwe ya. You are descending down. You are going down. You are descending. Hai bụ ndị mmiri. We are the first. N'ime mmiri ka ọkụ si wee pụta. N'ime mmiri ka anyị si wee pụta. N'ime mmiri ka ikuku si wee pụta. Ọ bụrụ na ị bụ onye ọkụ, i were sacrifices na-abịa nye eze nwaanyị, ọ yara awụ ọkụkwa o. Ọ dị be ndị. Ọ wụ onye ebe onye si wee pụta. Ebe si wee nọta ụwa. Mmụọ na-ejere gị ozi na nke na-akụrụ gị ego na nke na-enye gị ego. Ị na-enyefe ife. Ị na-enyefe ife nyekwa n'anya na ahụsụ. Ị na-enyefe ife na-enyefe ife gbala agba. Ihe a ife ngwongwo na-akwara anyị obodo a. Maka na ụmụ nwaanyị abịa fapụtara bịa anyị kwanye m ugwu. N'ime the same hotel room, the world opened, they came out. It was a very wonderful experience. So I don't joke with this land. And I told her, I said, give me a house. I want to live here. I want to have 2 homes, Lagos and here. Give me a house. Just like I asked for a house at Asaba. I also asked for a house at Abuja. I am a goddess. I am the daughter of a goddess, so I'm a goddess. Whatever I ask my mommy, my mother, the owner of my existence, my beginning and my end, she gave it to me because I worship her in spirit and in truth. I don't look right or left. I don't look middle. I go straight to worship her. I honor her. I announced it to the world many years ago. She gave to me. Like that. Okay, like that. Everything is plain. It is here. Utami is in your togoto. Do it away. Meluta. Nyafia. Nkan. I'll be going out now to do it. That is the reason I do live videos, so that you start and do something with yourself. When you find out, if you find out Nibonye Mili, Eze1 is not a title of a dibia. Eze1 is not a title given to a native doctor, whether man or woman. Eze1 is not a name that you go and take a chieftaincy title. Eze1 is not a name of Onyoko Moboni Kuku. Eze1 is a name, is a title, is an honor. That name carries power given to Ndemmiri and Onyemmiri alone. Onyemmiri and Onyemmiri alone. It is only people who are from water who bears that name. And we that are from water, we don't soil our hand being a native doctor. If you are doing that, that is wrong. You don't know yourself. Onye dibia nwanyi nwere kwesịrị o nwere ike za agbala nwanyi za ijele za ife ọbụla mana eze nwanyi ụfọ ndị mmiri ana onye ọbụla bụ onye mmiri ịbata biya ị ga-ama na ọ bụ onye mmiri nzu na ife ọbụla bụ white na kedafia flower dị iche iche mmiri dị iche iche ife na anọ na biya o ndị mmiri ka ebe onye eze nwanyi abụrụ onye omenala na ọdịnala because we make the rules don't make us. In case you have been asking why, I've been praying, I've been going, and it's not working. How can it work when you jump from one place to the other? It can't work. It can't work. There is an embargo placed on us. There is something placed on us that whether she knows it or she doesn't know it, and she go to anybody, a native doctor to work for her, it cannot work. Even if she go to an Ezewani and that Ezewani hide it and didn't explain it to her and charge her money, exorbitant money to do work, it will not work. You are the one that will liberate yourself as Onyemmili. If it's only a bottle of Fanta and a bottle of Coke, take it to the water. You Onyemmili. When you and do to get a fire, got as if I'm a little better. You know, when you just wear day. You Onyemmili. Oburu soso fruit kiji ijiri ego Fanta na Coke ijiri ego hot oburu soso apple abo where ya jebe na mmiri oburu soso this dog baby K4 where ya jebe na mmiri ya azake oburu kwanu ya ihe ayi gbasi n'aka this one ka igote nwuru tu chijiri na mmiri ya azage maka na ibo onye mmiri that is why mmiri ya eji wee zage. I'm sorry I'm using Igbo for this live video. Mmiri ga azage because ibo onye mmiri. As no nya alụọla m Somebody asked me some time ago that Keriki is Ijena a village or Ije Otain Megasi travel. Do you go and consult or contact and meaning and years and why you know that? Why would I do that? I don't do that. Whenever I land at a place, I've said this thing before, I give them hot, I give them cola. Now, please, whenever I'm live, nobody should call me. Nobody should call me. You are distracting me. This is OG. Sorry. The light is a little bit, this is OG. I bought from Lagos when I was coming. Okay. I give them things. This is also OG. Onye bo onye mmiri, ai bo ndi mmiri anya ada awa OG. Onye mmiri ada awa OG. Why's my phone going like this? Is it the camera? Oh my God. See, iPhone now. I think I need to clean it a little bit. Sorry. I bundi miranya da woji. We don't. I na anyada goji yana go muzu. But when I see people mixing miri, they will mix, and they are confused. Why are you confused? It's like me being a woman and I want to be a man. Yes, my king, George, I've done that now. Let me do it again. Thank you. Una fugoni anon. Galo son nam. Odogu mugi. Okay, I've done that. Wow. Now, thank you very much. Onye bonye mirada goji ya ina go buzu. When I said I'm not into a men and ordinary, a lot of people have insulted themselves. They have insulted themselves, talk about all kind of nonsense. That is not my business. I didn't come here to make you understand me. I didn't come here to make you happy. I came here to teach. And I'm happy many are learning. Yeah, who is that? Please, I'm busy now. All right. Thank you. I'm coming down. When I come down, I'm coming down. Okay? I'll come to the bar. Thank you. When I said I'm not into a men and ordinary, people are feeling, I don't know what they are feeling. Some people like to take another person's paracetamol on top of their own headache. I don't know why it's bothering you. You don't know. Define who you are. Define what you do. Define your calling. And I asked somebody, I said, can you go to the university and you're reading mass comm and medicine at the same time? They said no. Then how can you be only million and how can you be only million and Dibia? That is crazy. That is stupidity. I'm not against all these things. What I'm saying is that the power non-native doctors are immensely, tremendously fucking beautiful. Bigger than this universe. Each of these elements have their power. And because you don't even understand the power in your calling, you jump to become an Ezewani. Ewa warogwa. Isinye tomato noko. Iwunya okoro. Igwaka yodoroma. Iwunya egusi. That is why some people are confused. If you know what you are doing it very well. Most of the cars I have, the people who gave me those cars have not seen me before. The money people give to me is bigger, greater than the money the cars being given to me. Because I don't have anything against native doctors. I don't have anything against Indo men and ordinary. They are following their paths. I don't have anything against any Ezewani. They are following their calling. But it's wrong for you to presume to teach someone else how to serve their elements, their God, their goddess. It's wrong. If they say that person is not supposed to wow you like this, and somebody is not supposed to put you like this, and a woman is not supposed to wow you. Don't you see you don't even know yourself? If you know yourself and if you are occupied with your assignment here on earth, you will not be in another person's how they are serving their gods. No, you might as well come and tell a man how to sleep with his wife and how to impregnate his wife, simply because you have twins or you have 5 boys. So you might as well come and tell a man, if you sleep with your wife like this, you saw ya ba saw ya ba. Let us stop all this. There is so much power in the water, land, and in the sea. There's so much power in the air. There's so much power in the fire. But have you realized your calling? Is it because as the one you say, these people who are doing as the one, you're making hell of money? Did we come to make money? In fact, I've done more work for people. I didn't charge them 1 naira. I've done work for people. Go. I have done work. A lot of ways the one I've done work for, I didn't charge it. 1 naira I didn't collect for them. Ask people, they will tell you. When you say na go. My king, George Emeka, my name is Yoku. I will speak about the danger of Okite that you people don't know. It is good for you to ask questions. This Okite, what about my life? Ask questions. If you are not satisfied, go. I am not. You see, that is one of the reasons I don't comment on any Ezenwanyo or Menane or Dinane or anybody. Even though I love their teachings, I don't comment on it because a lot of allegations have been leveled against me in the past. I'm getting old. Kebutike power. But look at very far. No. Sometimes people come to me when I do their work, say, is that all? I say yes. You mean I should go? I say yes. When they look at the simple thing I bring, they like, are you but the blessings start coming, you see, begging. You see, as a one you can I couldn't go big on account to manage here. If you have watched me carefully all this while, I don't kill anything that has blood on Annie. I do it in the water. I'm not a native doctor. Whatever thing I'm killing, I kill it inside the water. Follow the rules and regulations laid by the universe, not laid by Omenane and Ordinane. I can't hear your job for Omenane. Ubo kuru fwa bwari zina kampuramu kuru kamu ke federe na mma kadis 2021 na na che banyeketa ku degi dele don't always expect that oro tate full result begin mbano and you that go about to promise is the one obuni bere me for work. And most of you, I'll do it. I was reading one of my king's topic on social media. Odogu Ezenwa Anedo. Everything he read, it was as if he was talking about me. I read every of his topic. I don't joke with it. He's making sense. He's one of the, in fact, apart from Ogilisi Onyebo, another person I respect as a man is Ezenwa Anedo. Odogu, my king. I follow his teachings. If you say you don't want to learn, I forget, but sorry. I follow everything he say doing. Some people say, hey, then why do for me. If about 2 million. But at the end of the day, what I will gain, what I will say that I will have my money in my hand is not up to 50,000 because it's the one because I'm dying. It's the one if you can help me, I will use my money. I'll do well. I will send viam. That soap that's supposed to give me 2 million that I will use and eat before people say I'm doing what you. I will not dash. I will not, when I sell, I will not have up to 50,000 naira in my hands. And when that thing that is the one, hey, I'm seeing result like the one I gave 3 days ago. At least she sent me a card 500 naira and told me that I'm seeing it all. I didn't collect money. I told her this is how much I'm selling. Before you will not see them again. 3 months later, they will come back and say, the one, you know that. I told one, I said, even if I give it to you, if you give me money, I give it to you, you no go walk. You no go walk because if you are go wayo. I listen to your tears, I listen to your cry. If you are go wayo. Define yourself. I have thought about dream. This is your best teacher. I might lie to you. Anybody can lie to you, but your dream cannot lie to you. Take pen and paper. Start writing. Usoro kesi emife. Onwo se esi aga kafanchan. Nwa se esi aga yobe. Nya onwo se esi aga ugwausa. Iruzu ugwausa. Onwo se esi aga Sokoto. Nwa se esi aga Meduguri. Nwa se esi aga Katsina ala. Even na Lekki, ibagote bezi anyị nwa bi na West. Eke na abagote na agafe ore. Ya nwere ụzọ esi aga Ijebu Ode. N'aka nni. N'aka ekpe ya bụ ụzọ esi aga Aja na Lekki. Ọ dị easy that place than ịbanye n'ime Lagos bịa jebe. Ka ị na-agbada na-aga. Efu Shagamu. Before you know it, Efuzia, you chana different flyover bagi. Oza iga potebe diuta. Oza iga potebe diuta. Oza iga potebe diuta. That is what I'm doing. But how can you just decide to go to Ugwausa while your destiny is in Lagos? Ebi bonye mmiri because you are lazy. You cannot fast. You want what somebody else wants. You don't want the fruit instead of you to germinate, to bring out things. You just want it because you want it. Okwa maka ndị na-akpụgharị eze nwaanyị na eze nwoke na ndị na-akọ ndị otu mọnụ, ndị otu anyị niile nọ na Facebook na-arụrụ. Okwa course ka ị na-ebu. Okwa nnukwu course maka ịmara chi onye ahụ. Ịmara onye na-arụ ndị na-arụ onye ahụ ọrụ. Ịmara ndị na-azị okwu na ndị ọ na-aza. Ịmara ndị ọ na-ejere ozi na ndị na-ejere. Ị na-akọ tole ọ na-atọ gị ụtọ. I were ofe ọkụ na-agụkwasị onwe gị n'isi ọ dọọkwa nụ mma. Ihe na-asị na gịnị aka ruru gị na imepụ ife mee ka ị na-eme na-ayọfụ nweta ego ka mmepụrụ nnukwu ife. Ọ ruru gị igbu efi igbu efi. Ọ ruru gị igbu ọkụkọ igbu ọkụkọ. Ọ bụkwanụ na orange nkịtị ofu mkpụrụ orange ofu mkpụrụ apụ. Gbara ya jebe na mmiri na-afụ obi gị. Hụ na-afụ ihe niile nọ n'ime obi gị. Bebe akwa. Nobody did any work for me. Yes, that is the truth. I think I need to face this camera on myself so that you see what I'm. Nobody did any orumiri for me. Yes, that is a fact. Nobody, no man, no woman, girl or boy will come out and say they did work for me. Onwero onye ga-apụta check one around. Onye si na ọ rụrụ m ọrụ mmiri apụta ka nnene ya anya n'iru ka ọ na-ekwu because agọtara m agakata anyị ije gakata ije yọkata ọ sị kakasị m to 50,000 onye na-afụrụ n'irie onye na-epik nne n'ụzọ onye na-afụrụ n'irie with 4 children, a single mother of 4. You say I should bring 200,000. I don't even have 1,000. If I win a go see me a Yoruba woman. I've shown them people who comes around me whenever we are going to water. I've showed them. You might say, what did they say I should tell them? Go to the water to bathe. I went to the water. That same water. That same Orioke. I went there. I didn't buy Maggi. I didn't buy tomato. I did not buy anything. I had no money. What I had, home and abroad. In fact, there was a time for 6 years, I don't remember I had an account. What I had finally in my life was 500 naira. I used 300 naira to buy 5-liter empty rubber. And when I got there, I know that these people will charge me money. I don't know how much they are going to charge me, but I will need them and start begging them for the 200 naira. They showed me where women used to bathe. I go there. I removed my clothes. I didn't have soap. I didn't have a sponge. I don't have anything. I just sat down in the stone in that water and started crying. I didn't even open my mouth. Water was just, that kind of water that will force itself and start falling. Water was just falling out of my because I don't know what to say. My problem is so much that I don't know how to start. I couldn't say anything. It happens to me whenever I'm accused wrongly. I let my tears touch the ground. Let the universe judge me. The water was just falling like rain inside the water. When all the water in my body dried, I took my bath, I drank the water. I didn't say anything because there is nothing to say. If you're hungry, being alone is a little bit okay. When you are hungry with 4 children, 3 boys and a girl, and you know boys can eat, you understand. I went home. For the first time in my life, I slept. I had peace. I started drinking the water. I started bathing with it. Odogunomuya, she herself came out physically and asked me to buy pen and paper. I sat down, she started talking, and I started writing. I will die for her. I told her she is the owner of my life. At the point of death, at the point of madness, she saved my life. Don't forget, I've gone to all the mountains and the rivers and and the churches, and I've spent all my money, nothing. And when my goddess, my queen, my God, my mama, my papa, my husband, my ngongo na ngongo, this next year, my ngongo, that is her name for 2021, my ngongo by herself in all her power and her glory, she came out. I have been calling Jesus since 1941, nothing. I fasted, I fast, you don't understand. So in case you see me flying on aeroplane, you see me driving cars, it started for, you know I got taro can see baby do. You know I got taro. Nobody can anymore or they sure about the boom. No. The second time I bought razor blade, I cut my hand here and let my blood fall into the water. I said, I'm ready. I'm back. Before you know it, I go, that's how I'm getting a tomato. I used to be like, as a wine, that like jelly was so much. When I talk, now she still use that as an example. My name is Yoku. You don't want to work, you don't want to labor, but you want money. And then I do work. And then I'm not a ritualist, so I shout it all. I'm not a ritualist, so if I ask why, but assure me now, if I do this, when am I going to do results? In Apuara. Na me do your work. You are asking me when the thing is going to manifest. In Apuala. Are you going to ask Annie that you drop your fruit in when is it going to germinate? Unana to kwegu. Ewu adikunu nanya. Eya juane. Eya jumunye gitu badine. Mwa banye para. Oto wego. Kenim be anyo potia. You want it now. You want it? No. I don't do no work. And they talk and make up una make say allegation. Oji wari egom. Ya ka mini ji we ni mo we half. But na check one ya. You don't give. Make it a point of duty once every month. You don't have. Listen, why we will go to restaurants. Let them give you sewu if you can afford it. Put this sewu and take away. Go to any junction. Drop it there. Open it. Use it. If you have beer, don't say anything. Go to your house. I want to go. But somebody, una like eziokwu. When you got pio. Listen, why? How much are you selling your blue eye bead? What is it for? No, blue eye bead is just for go. Lazy people, lazy Nigerian youths. If I bobo, what is you? My king, you know, walk because no one my corner speak. I read everything you people are doing. I don't have good chafan chanine. Oda na go kan let you chanine ne. Na ga na mi uta kan shapi adu be na kwesi afo no fu. Ke fere happy man. I don't make magic. Is why any mo say that o wen ken obodo yibo. Mo na ri aso that onye chafi o mo ya kana boni wefte ego. Maka ken. Ibo onye oshi. You are number robber. Number robber self kagemu. Ibo onye oshi. If any no you expect because you bring chicken, you bring money to me. Miri will not just because they are hungry. They have been hungry since 1940. They will not jump up to help you. Nebu panonye. Ibonye. Esibege jebonye. Are they hungry? Mina say na go na kia. Am you say na go na kifa. Una da no efe. Ihe ai na emewu bu ihe nwo. It's a sign of appreciation. It's a sign that we recognize your power. We recognize your sovereignty. We recognize your uniqueness. We recognize your all you are. First yanki na eme oro de rege. My king gozu Igbo ndu nwa ya kenekwa amugo. Oke dibia ka ebo. E na ro oro ge. Igbo onye dibia. That is why you open it here. I can go na mpa akwụkwọ bụ maka na azake. Onye na-akwụrụ ga anya ga-apịa maka na ekere ọrụ eke. Kedu ka ị esi na-arụ ọrụ dibịa, ị na-arụ ọrụ eze nwaanyị, ị na-arụ ọrụ mmụọ, ị na-apụ ala, ị na-echetakwa echi na ụmụ ya ata afụfụ, ị na-echetakwa echi na ị na-erelease mmụọ that will confuse your generation. Kedu ife na-eme unu? Anya ukwu ka ndị ka ịbịa mụ dị, anya ukwu dị n'etiti ndị enwe eze nwaanyị, n'etiti ndị na-arụ ọrụ anyị na-arụ ka nkụ. Ya ka m ji ezere onwe m maka na m ewe iwe ọkụ ime m anya mee ka efe. Mgbe m na-ata afụfụ nwaanyị na-ekwe ụrụ m anya, mgbe m na-epi ike nne n'ụzọ ka mụ na ụmụ m rie, nwaanyị na-ekwe ụrụ m anya. Ekekwara ọhụ eke ịpụta ị na-arụ ọrụ dibịa, ị na-arụ ọrụ eze nwaanyị, ị na-aza agbala mmiri eze nwaanyị, ịbụ onye oshi. Fuck. Ịpụta echi ụmụ ga-ataba afụ because you are a confused human being. Ikwu ikwukwurụkwa ahụ ebi n'enubiri na ihe to ogologo wee dị mkpụmkpụ. Ịpụta echi ụmụazị ataba afụ ife na-enwere isi. Ịbụ onye dibịa rụba ọrụ dibịa, ịbụ onye mmiri concentrate ya na mmiri. Ọ bụ na akpọrọ gị ịrụ ọrụ because anyị chere na-akpọrọ anyị ịrụ ọrụ, anyị chere na-apụtara ịrụ ọrụ. Ọ bụrụ ịbụ onye ọkụ. This is one of the powers. It's a pity. Chegokwana, I need to. But let me talk about this before I go and do my sacrifice. This is one of the topics that make me shed tears. Is it only Oko, Mini, Nani, but the gods, Igbo? No. Are they the only two goddesses we have? But yet men say, but men who are into Ane, or men are not in Anamiri, you all are worshipping Mame water, Mini, one, you couldn't worship, whether you like it or not. Call me any name you like, I don't care. I have seen people with power of fire. How do you tell them? Just like others accuse me that I used to take their power. That come. They don't want to walk. They don't want to sit down and let their gift to manifest. They think, vegan. And since now, after they accuse me finish, I've not seen them bought a cow. I've not seen them build a house. They are still living in where they are living before. If not, no confusion. I have never seen people. I've seen a lot of people with power of fire. My king, yes, I've seen people with fire or power of ikuku. And have they activated it? Have they done anything about it? Money. But this one, actually, it's a pity. When I walk me well, when I form before. But what will you do? They said I'm calling. They said number is the one. So powers that have not been, gods and goddesses that have not been activated in the land of Igbo land is many. But I ain't trouble. I ain't trouble. When I look at people sometimes, me, I can look. I know sabi look person. I can look. I feel take 1 hour they look you. When I look at people like that, I'm looking inside their brain. Not this their face now. I'm looking inside their brain to check whether their brain or to check whether brain hona chap green, kemana cha white. Because sometimes when I listen to the way people talk, and I tell myself, what the fuck? Ikuku. That's why I want to write. I have things to teach you, so many. I don't know where to start. That's why I want to write. Igbo. Ndị ọkụ kedu unu? Nwe ji ole nne gị kwekọrọ. Ndị ọkụ kedu unu? Ndị ikuku kedu unu? Anyị chapụ eze nwanyị. Anyị chapụ dibịa. Anyị chapụ. Ka ebute ego mbute. Ihe wetara n'akụkụ ite na-anọkwa n'akụkụ ọnụ ma n'eziokwu. Biko m ka nje chụọ aja. Ka m na-achụ aja. Anyị bụ ofu, mmiri bụ ofu. Onwe ndị a na-asị fa jee na mmiri fasi nọtọ ụwa jee na mmiri chụwa. I didn't go to any of those jargons. Mmiri bụ ofu, anyị bụ ofu. Ka m na-akwụ na ana ịkọrọ ekpe na ka m na-akwụ na ana isi niile. Wee na-akwụ na-eti ana isi niile wee sị na ọ ya dịrị nwoke mma ya dịrị nwaanyị mma. gịnị anị ka ụmụ gị na-anata ọnụ ekeresimesi ndị si mba ofesi ndị si mba dị iche iche ka fa na-anata odogwu nwa mmalite n'ọgwụgwụ enenebe eje ọrụ odogwu werekwa nza gị n'ime ka ị na-asụchapụ nsị na aja nke enyi enyi nke edebere edebe nke ụmụ gị ga-eme ka ụmụ gị nyime anụ ọnya temptation n'aka nne n'aka ekpe n'ugwu na ndịda ọ bụ nwaanyị ga-eme ka ọ bịa tinye ọgba aghara ọ bụ nwaanyị ga-eme ka ndị nya nkịta fa agwụchago kanye niile kanye n'ọnụ ka fa bịa kapụ nwa mmadụ ego ka a napụsị ụmụazị ego ka ifere emefe ka ha na-achị odogwu nwaanyị gịnwa ka nna wee na-eti mkpu na-akpọsị gị ike wee sị gị gịnị ọ bịara egbu ụmụ gị ga-egbu ụmụ aka sịfa ya agbafara gafa na-aga kwụkwụ kpọfa ọkada pịa nyefe nọọsụ jefugu nye ọkada pịa jefugu ndị na-ngwụchakọ ọnwụ wee tinye poison na mmanya maka na ọkwana n'ime ngwụ ka esi wepụta mmanya ngwụ ọkwana naanị ka ọkụ si wee ka ọjị na ose ọjị si wee pụta ọkwana naanị ọkụkọ ọkwa ife niile naanị ka o riri wee buo ibu mgbe sio nsogbu ihe isi ike tinyefe ya onye nwa na-agbadata ka omemina nwoke ka omemina nwaanyị ọkwa fa na-anata ụlọ Disemba ọkwa fa na-anata fanọ n'Imo fanọ na-Abịa fanọ na Ebonyi ka nọ n'Enugu steeti fanọ na Calabar Cross River ka ha nọ na Akwa Ibom odogwu nne chebe ụmụ gị chebe fa n'iru chebe fa n'azụ n'aka nne n'aka ekpe wapụrụ ụmụ gị ụchụ ifele wapụrụ ụmụ gị ụchụ maka na egwu dị ndị ụka ebutego ka ndị ụka na-abata nwanne na nwanne ada erizi nne wee so ye seed of discord wee maa anya manjezi na mbe ikwu anyị na ibe anyị rinne amanjezi na nke ọnkụ anyị kpekwa ikpe zọpụta ụmụ gị zọpụta fa n'aka ọnwụ n'aka poison zọpụta n'aka ife nyanya dị iche iche zọpụta fa n'aka bad luck ife ga-emefe anachi ya azụ fa na-enwezi ụchụ a na-enwezi bad luck ife nna ya nwanyị wetakwa ndị kpatara m n'obodo a odogwu my king odogwu na-eme ka ndị obodo a wesị na ọ ya dịrị ya na mma ụnụ makwa onye ụnụ makwa na Nnamdị ha na ọkwa ya nwa sendịrị m ụnụ makwa ka isi eme ya ka ndị ebunye ụnụ wee na-asị ụnụ gozie nwoke gozie nwaanyị gozie ka ụnụ gozie ya gozikwa na ụmụ okorobịa ndị ọzọ ndị na nke ọga ha ndị ahịa erudi si ekwana ka fadị disappointed asịrọkwa mmadụ ji eribe ego gị ọdọọkwa na mma ori bụ ori onye adịrị gị na gị nwa na-ekiri m mma ọ ya dịkwara m nwa mma mgbe na-arata ndị niile na-arụ ọrụ anụ na soshal midia mgbe na-asị odogwu nne m wepụrụ anyị efele ekwene ka ihe nne maka ọtụtụ na-achọ ka ihe nne ka amụọ anyị amụ ekwene ka ihe nne nke onye nchiri ya rịara ya ihe ọ bụla anyị rụrụ nye mmadụ so na ya dịrị ya dịrị ma a na-ekwukwu ndị kwara aka fa ọtọ ndị na-akwụrụ mmadụ ibefe anya wesị na ya dịrị anyị niile mma ihe ọ bụla nwe ka chi gị anyị ji wee na-arụ ọrụ ka ike nga gị ka ọ na-adị ire ka ike nga gị ka ụkwụ na ije gị ka ọ na-adị ire ka mmụọ na-ejere gozi na nke na-ejere oruzi ka o butere gị akụ na ụba maka anyị nwa n'idiri akụ na ụba anyị n'idiri ụlọ nke anyị n'idiri ife mfe enwe ife nweta anyị n'idiri ijekwa obodo oyibo wesị na ọ ya dịrị anyị mma ọ ya dịrị nwoke mma ọ ya dịrị nwaanyị mma Illuminati Temple Center ọ ya dịrị gị na mma Esther Ihechi Marina ọ ya dịrị gị na mma mana ezi ise